Hello, it's Kake Walker back again. I have been seeing these bomb cakes. You know, they look like a bomb with a candle on the top of it, like you light it up and it like explodes or whatever. And it says happy birthday and it has this kind of cool texture to it. I'm going to try and make that today. So I got a round bowl. I guess I got them from Amazon. A little round bowl. I think it's like a 5-inch. So it's a small cake, small personal cake. So I'm just gonna get some melted chocolate and just pour it into the bowl. Let's see here. Okay, you want to coat the bowl with the chocolate. So, see, got the chocolate in there, and then I'm just coating it. Got a little spatula. Coating it all the way to the end because you want both of these sides to connect. So get it as good as you can, all coated up. You're going to do more than one coat because you want a thick coating on there. And then you add the cake. So I'm trying to get all that all coated real good. I'm gonna put that down there, and I think that is good. See, all coated, and I'm gonna just put it in the freezer, and then afterwards I'm gonna take it out and put another coat on there, and then we'll get started on our bomb. So I got this is hot. So I want to stick a hole in here so I can put it on a stand and make it stick. So hot. And it goes right through, like butter. So now you got your hole. Perfect. So now the trick is to stick it on here. See if I can do that. I'm gonna put a little chocolate, a little black chocolate, right there, like so, and stick that bad baby on there. Find the hole. Now I gotta hold it, and hold it. I hold it with this thing on there because my hands are warm and I don't want to wart the chocolate. So I just hold it. It shouldn't take too long because this thing is frozen. It's really cold. It was in the freezer. I don't know if it's all the way frozen, but it's in the freezer, so it's really cold. So, and there you go. There you go. Bring it back so you can see. So got that. Now I want to put this thing on here to make it look like a bomb, right? So get a little more chocolate right there. And this is just a piece of fondant that I cut out in a circle and put on there. Looks like right there. Boom. All right, now we're gonna mix up our cocoa butter chocolate mixture in order to give that texture on the cake that I was talking about. So I have, let me make sure I got the right measurements. I got 1.4 ounces of cocoa butter, and I got 2.1 ounces of white chocolate, and a half a tablespoon of vegetable oil. So we're just gonna milk this and put it together. Okay, so remember I told you this is my first time doing anything. In order to make that texture that's just so cool to me, you got to use one of these. This is a paint gun that I got for Amazon, and I just use it just for this. So this is my first time even using a paint gun, y'all. So we're going to see what happens. I found these cups, and they're just, I don't know, I got them from the dollar store. I'm not really sure what size they are, but they fit perfect in this container that came with the paint gun, because I don't need that much fluid in there in order to do the cake. It doesn't take that much. So this cup perfectly fits in here, and then I can screw it on. Actually, this little spout, if you can see it, was a little long, so I just used my little pipe cutters and cut it a little bit so it can fit in the cup, right? Okay, so we're gonna, and what I did, I put some water in it. There's no water in there now, but I put some water in it so I can test it, plus clean it. I clean it with soap and water first, and then rinsed it again with just regular water. So just make sure that I knew what I was doing to get the feel of the gun and clean it out. So just twist it on there. That cup, oh, it just works perfect in there, and you just press it. So we're going to see if it goes right on the cake. I didn't change, it came with nozzles. I didn't change any of the nozzles out. I just kept the nozzles that was already attached to the spray gun. So we're going to see if that works. If not, I'll probably have to change nozzles. But right now, we're just going to go what we got, okay? Also, your mixture, I read online that it has to be, I think it's 113 Fahrenheit. So I think it's 50 Celsius and 113 Fahrenheit, something like that. So make sure you keep your mixture the temperature that you need so it won't clog up your machine, okay? And I just put it in the microwave and got to the temperature that I needed. So I just wanted to tell you that before I start spraying. All right, we're all done. It looks so great. I love it. I love it. So I added the happy birthday, and what I did, just like I heated up that little poker and poked the hole through there so I can get that cake topper in there, and then I added this. I wanted sparklers. I wanted some sparkler candles, but they don't deliver here in California. I guess because we always on fire. We can't have no sparkle candles here in California. So I just had to come up with what I had to come up with. I love it, but gotta let you know, don't make this cake in the summertime. Don't make this cake in the summertime because it will definitely melt. Unless you're having your party in the refrigerator somewhere, don't make this cake. Other than that, everything just turned out great. I mean, the recipe for the cocoa butter and chocolate was perfect. It came on just perfect. So if you have any questions about what I did today, please hit me up in the comments and I'll see if I can answer it for you. Thank you for watching Kake Walker. I appreciate all you guys, all your comments, all your likes. I mean, it's humbling to me to know that everybody likes what I make, likes my cake art. So, like I tell you all the time, follow your girl, follow your girl. I'm working on 10,000 followers. I need a little bit over 500 left. Come on, y'all, come through. Anyway, love y'all. Bye.